Hello guys, I am back. Today I want to show you my unboxing of my brand new Xiaomi 10-in-1 Type-C hub. I bought it for $30 from Taobao China. With this price, it's hard to get a high quality dock, especially with a lot of port, but this one may be it. Okay, the Xiaomi 10-in-1 Type-C hub combines a compact travel-friendly design with a durable aluminum construction and a braided cable. So let's look around the outside and see what inside the box. Okay, see the Xiaomi logo all in Chinese. Here is the hub itself. It's come only one color. That's the white one. Okay. Yeah. Here is the specification. You can see a 3.0. There is internet port, a power delivery 3.0, 100 watt. Display output up to 4K, 60 hertz. Okay, let's go deeper. Okay, some paper stuff. I would be happy if there is some in English. See, no, all in China. Okay, here is the hub itself. It's not totally white, it seems like a silver. Okay, here is again the specification. You can see the model number is XMTIO01YM. Okay, so here you can see the cable is also white and braided. Here you can see there is a slot to put the end of the Type-C inside, so it's not going to lose everywhere and damage the head of the Type-C. Okay, so the hub measure around 130 millimeter in length, 56 millimeter in width, and the thickness of 14.5 millimeter. Okay, it just weigh around 144 gram, make it ideal for both travel and everyday use. So on the connectivity front, it's offer a very solid lineup. First, you can see there is a 3123 USB type 3.0 port that support a 5 gigabit per second. That if you convert it to the transfer speed, it's around 400 megabyte per second transfer speed, and it also output around 7.5 watt. And here you see two USB Type C. However, you can see this Type C have only the lightning logo, which means it support only for charging, not for power output and data transfer. The, that port support up to 100 watt of fast charging. In real use, it up to 90 watt is delivered to the laptop, while 10 watt is reserved for powering the peripheral. Okay, and the other one support data transfer of 5 gigabit per second. I would be more happy if I see a 10 gigabit, and the charging is also similar to the USB-A 3.0. Okay, and here you see an HDMI port 2.0 port that support a 4K 60 Hz, and here it's in a gigabit internet port support up to 1000 megabit per second. And here you can also see the SD and TF slot that support max speed of around 104 megabyte per second. Sadly, it doesn't support simultaneous reading between these two slots, so you can only use one of them at a time. And for the audio, you got a 3.5 millimeter jack, support both headphone output and microphone input, along with inline control, handy for video call and casual listening. compatibility is Pro 2. It works across Windows and Linux and Android, and support plug and play plus hot swapping. Okay. Just one thing to keep in mind: your device needs to have a full feature USB-C port that support a display port of 1.4 and a power delivery 3.0 to take advantage of all the help feature. If your port doesn't support those standard, some function might be limited. So that's all for this video. Please leave a comment if you have any sharing idea or question. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.